Hi, do you have any space this morning?
3:30 today.
3:30. Yeah, actually, yeah, 3:30 can work. Infills and I've lost a nail. Awesome, thank you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing really well. I talk quite a lot on my channel about kind of self-care, my reset routine. I would say once a month-ish, I will take half a day, a morning, a whole day, an evening. I'll take an allotted amount of time to basically just give myself a little bit of self-care and sort myself out. So I thought I would take you through my kind of self-care routine. Today's a little bit different. Usually I would have like a set block of time, but I'm gonna be kind of slotting in little bubbles of self-care in between quite a busy work day today. So you will have seen I started out my morning doing some yoga. That is always how I will start a self-care day, because it just puts your head in the right place and kind of sets your intention for the day. So that was the first thing I did. I got up, got dressed, put on some makeup. I just booked to go get my nails done because I am falling apart. I'm also gonna do like my teeth whitening routine. I'm gonna have a bubble bath. I'm gonna shave my legs. I'm gonna fake tan, watch something that I love on TV, eat some delicious food, do a workout, and just make myself feel really good. So yeah, enjoy. A very important part of my self-care days is moving my body, getting some endorphins going so that my body is working with my brain, not against it. I'm gonna go do a workout, get some blood pumping, feel good, and then we'll come back and start pampering. I'm booked in to get my nails done at 3:30, so I'll be home by 2, make some lunch, go get my nails done, and then it's time to pamper, baby. Like I said, I love to go to the gym on a self-care day. I find that if I'm having a bad mental health day or just a bad day in general, getting some endorphins in to make me feel better is really, really important. On this particular day, I got a few PBs as well, which makes me feel really accomplished and proud of myself. So even if everything else is falling apart, at least I've got that, you know? And it's also time to take out for yourself, to work on yourself and be completely selfish for that 1 hour a day. And that time is very important to me. But if the gym isn't what you want to do on a day for yourself, then you don't have to. Of course, find your own ways to make yourself feel good. It's time for a well-needed element to the self-care routine, which is going to get my nails done. I'm still in my gym clothes, haven't even had time to shower yet, so I'm gonna have a bath and a full-on pamper when we get home, because these need doing. This one is about to fall off. This one's chipped and this one's fallen off. I'm falling apart. Let's go. Perfect autumn pumpkin spice vibes. Now it is time to make myself a warm drink, a nice autumn warm drink. A cinnamon latte, or do I want an apple tea? Cinnamon latte. And I'm gonna get in the bath and I'm gonna shave my legs. I'm gonna do a face mask. I'm just gonna live my best life, to be honest, for the next 45 minutes and just get cozy. I'm just gonna get so cozy. Bath time wouldn't be complete without a candle. This one is pumpkin cider, it's amazing. And to remove my makeup, I use the Ren Perfect Canvas Jelly Cleanser. It is my absolute favourite. It melts everything off so easily. It's amazing. And then in my bath, I'm going to use the Banana Body Shop Bubble Bath. And while the bath runs and the bubbles are bubble, I use this Nescafe latte mix. and I'm gonna add some gingerbread syrup because we're feeling festive today, as well as some cinnamon because why the heck not, it's delicious. And then I'm going to use this Glam Glow face mask because my skin has been acting up and I want to draw all of the crap out. And then these are some essentials in my bath, including my Estrid razor, who are partnering with me on this video. You guys know I love Estrid because of their incredible ethos. They agree that it's your choice whether or not you want to shave, but they just say if you want to use their razors. They are vegan, they are cruelty free, they're adorable. It comes with this little wall mount and it's honestly the best razor I have ever used in my life. Their charity partner is Fawcett Society, and if you use the code Emma, they will donate an extra £1 per order, which is incredible to help empower women. And then I move on to scrub my body because I am going to be fake tanning. I love the Frank body scrub, and you guys know I've been using Bondi Boost to wash my hair for months now. And once all of that is done, I am going to whiten my teeth using the Spotlight Oral Care whitening strips. I'm just going to leave this on for the next hour while I go about the rest of my pampering routine. Hello, I just put my tooth whitening strips and I'm going to quickly fake tan. I'm in my wardrobe right now if you're wondering where I am. At the moment I'm using the St. Moritz one. I used loads of different tans, it just depends how I feel on the day. Just going to get naked by this lovely lady and this lots of naked women. I am so pale, I am nearly the same colour as my wall. I just think with these lovely like warm rust and burnt orange colours, a little bit of a tan look quite nice, you know. Then it's time to remove my whitening strips. Self-care is not all about how you look. It's not all down to a face mask. It's about making yourself feel happy and feel good and doing things that you enjoy. So you could love baking, which is what I love to do. Hence the baking montage. You could love reading, you could love scrapbooking, you could love gardening. Just find something that feels good to you, that you can do in your downtime, that makes you feel zen, makes you feel relaxed. And I love baking because it's something that can also be shared with others. Another thing I love to do on a self-care day is making sure I have fresh bedding on my bed. There is nothing better than getting into a clean bed. So I've just popped on these lovely linen bed sheets. Much better. And then to end a day of self-care and relaxation, I'm going to enjoy one of my banana muffins with some ice cream and sit and watch something that I love, probably another episode of New Girl, and then probably get an early night, to be honest with you. So I hope this inspired you to take some time out for yourself, whether it's a morning, an evening, an hour. Just squeeze it in because it's so important, especially in hard times like this. I hope you're doing well, I hope you have the best day, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
We got the vibe, yeah, you and I, still got the vibe, still got the vibe.